Illuminate 2021 is a series of workshops on entrepreneurship, finance, and marketing conducted by IIT Bombay in collaboration with IET-DAVV. These workshops are open for all enthusiastic students who want to learn about entrepreneurship.
Illuminate aims to inspire and train young students who have a fruitful desire to do something for themselves, institutions, society, and the nation. The workshop will be completely interactive with the ideation and team building exercises for the students to generate idea, make business plan, learn about funding, and identify their strength in the area of entrepreneurship.
These workshops will be conducted by leading entrepreneurs, angel investors, IIT and IIM alumni, and mentors.
Illuminate gives you a chance to learn from the experts, get certified by IIT Bombay and get a free of cost startup kit and an opportunity to network with the most talented students and entrepreneurs from all over India.
All you have to do is to register with the link provided in this video, and don't forget to add the referral code NEC281 to get the perks. Register soon, limited seats only.